Hello and thanks for joining me. As we're getting close to Christmas, I thought I would share something with you that might make a good Christmas present idea. So if people are asking you what you want, or there's somebody in your life and you're looking to buy something for them that's motorcycle related, this might be a little idea as a stocking filler. It's this little roller and it's designed to go under your motorcycle wheel so you can turn the wheel if you don't have a centre stand on the bike. So if you only have a side stand, a prop stand, which a lot of bikes do these days. Most of bikes, I have several bikes and only actually have one bike with a centre stand. And that's why I bought this. I've had this about 18 months, maybe a little bit longer, and it works very well. So what you have is this little tray. It's got some little feet on the bottom so that it doesn't slide around. You put it on the floor. This end one here is not actually a roller, that's just a step up to help you get the wheel up. So I put it just in front of the rear wheel. You push it up, these are two rollers that turn. The rear wheel goes on there and then you can easily turn the wheel. So you can use it for cleaning the wheels, or what I use it for is under the rear wheel for oiling the chain. Just makes it so much easier to oil the chain if you haven't got a centre stand. Works extremely well, and it works extremely well on tyres of all sizes. So I think the fattest tyre I've got is on my Harley Davidson. My Harley Davidson only has a prop stand, doesn't have a centre stand, so I just pop it on the ground, roll the bike onto it, and I can oil the chain very easily. I'll demonstrate how it works. Here's the roller underneath the wheel, and as you can see then the wheel turns very easily. So great for, as I say, for cleaning the wheels or for oiling your chain. Nice little bit of kit is that. So very simple bit of kit. These are marketed and sold as wheel cleaning stands. This is an SFG brand. I've seen them for sale in various places. Easiest place to get them I think is online. I bought them online, so I've seen them on Amazon, eBay, Temu, I guess AliExpress, places like that as well. I don't use a lot of these online retailers, but they vary in price as well, from about £6 through to 20 odd pounds. You know, pay your money, take your choice. This one has proved very substantial, very durable. This is SFG brand and I bought this online. So just an idea. I find it very useful. So as I said, it might be worth putting on the Christmas list. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.